Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for tuning in today's video. I want to share with you one of the items from Chanel, and this is from the 22B collection, I think. We're talking about the Chanel Pouch nylon with mask. I'm gonna touch a few points here, like the style, the comfort, the accessibility, and the space inside this pouch. I'm gonna insert the unboxing right here. You can always check out my Instagram account because I post reels there of the unboxing, or some pictures of how I using it and things like that. Enjoy this clip of the unboxing and I will be back. And we're talking about this beauty right here. Don't mind this ring right here. I put this myself. Actually, I'm gonna tell you how much I've saved in this one and how can you save like that too. This is pretty amazing. This is so nice. Like, put it right here so you can have some idea of what it look like. Okay, so this one I really was impressed when I saw it, especially for the price. I I told myself that is a very nice pouch to style. This is perfect for a crossbody, for a like little bum bag, to use in different way, right? Because in the picture that I saw, I see they have this little leather trim right here, loop, which is pretty spacious to, like, you know, put something in between, and one in here, and it's amazing too because it has this leather. I'm gonna talk about the style. This little pouch is the best thing ever. Okay, you can style in many ways. I use it for a whole weekend from Friday to Sunday. This is the only thing I use. And actually, when I use like more comfortable clothes, more casual clothes, I use it as a bum bag. Then I use it as a crossbody, and for some reason it shapes up to your body so nicely. Beautiful. When I use it as a bum bag, it just shape up very nice like this, and then when I use it as a crossbody, it just perfectly like a little bag, crossbody bag. And then I use it, what else? I use it as a crossbody, I use it as a bum bag. You can use it like here in the shoulder. It just shape up like a little packable or a little wallet or whatever you need it to use it for. It shapes so beautiful. Like I say, I use it for the whole weekend, and I style it very nice. It really look nice. The comfort of this bag is so nice too, because if you need to open it, you just hold it through here and open the zipper and turn it down back, grab it through here and close it. So it's very comfortable, very nice. If you want to grab it like this, the comfort of this style is so nice too. No inconvenience, nothing at all. Accessibility for this bag, amazing too. What can I say? You just grab it through here and you just open it. Perfect. It's big. It have like a bigger space. Oh, it's made in Italy. It have like a bigger space right here. You just grab stuff, and if you have it in this way, don't worry, nothing gonna fall off, because this kind of like a grab everything, everything rests in here, so you have access to just open it easy and grab whatever you want. Really convenience. Actually have even a nice little pouch pocket on the bottom, so I actually put some cards in there. Even I have my wallet too, but a card that I want to have access and grab it very quick, I just put my hand there and grab it, I pull it out. So very spacious. I'm able to fit here my phone, my Victorine wallet from Louis Vuitton, what else, my car key, and still I have a lot of space. It's just amazing. Thinking of what Chanel have a little thing like this just for car for the price. This one you can put here so much and can style it so many ways. And I used it for the whole weekend, and I didn't baby it at all, okay? And it was rubbing on my clothes, on my belt and everything, and I see the condition is just perfect. Nothing like come up or rip or nothing. You don't see absolutely anything different of what I purchased it when I purchased it. The nylon is funny because it feels like I was expecting to feel more like a nylon, like I don't know, like those jacket nylon for rain or whatever. Not like the plasticky one, not the one that I kind of like make little noises when you move it, but it's not. It's kind of like a satin feeling. So very nice. If you can get your hand on this one, because I know this is just from the previous collection. Yeah, this is from the 22P. And actually my CA, he got only one in his store, but at that moment, but they sometimes get pieces once a week or once every week, even from the previous collection. So you probably still can get your hands on this one, and it's totally worth it. It comes with this mask, which is a plus, it's a bonus, because I really don't need it, but I will use it. If I have it, why not, you know? It's a nice addition. So I put this chain. I'm gonna leave the link down below. It's pretty cool, right? It's like similar to what we see in other pieces, and I got it. I'm gonna leave the link from where I got it from if you're interested. So what I did is I'm gonna leave you the link of this ring too, because it's very nice and spacious. I put this ring here, and then I attach this from here. Before, not that weekend that I used the bag the whole weekend, I just attached this clip straight to the leather, which it was too tight, because this is not big enough for that loop, and it was kind of like a pressed little bit. It was very tight, but then when I put this, it felt better. So I love this leather trim with this. They make it like exactly for a bag. It's amazing. Like, you get your money worth. Okay, I got this from Nordstrom, from the boutique in Nordstrom, and actually I saved $300 because I have points, the NRB points. So yeah, I saved $300. So you guys have that. If not, I usually from my Neiman Marcos card, my Nordstrom, I just buy stuff, pay right away, and I accumulate all this points because it helped me to purchase and save money in anything that I like to purchase from Chanel, especially. Some of them have a Louis Vuitton too, but especially Chanel. Amazing if you can save some money in Chanel stuff. And this is the mask, and this is what I got. So overall, guys, I really like this. I think it's amazing and it's worth for the money. Definitely worth for the money. So you can run and get it if it's, you know, you can do it, because it's totally worth it. It looks nice, it looks chic, and you can give it a lot of use. This is it. So I hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you think about this little pouch, nylon pouch with a mask, in the comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, to share the video, and let me know what you think. Thank you very much for watching, and remember to smile because you are beautiful. Bye.